Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Realtek audio drivers for your Windows 11 in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you just need to come over into your Google Chrome, and here you can search for Realtek Audio Driver. Click on that. After that you can see you will get an option from Realtek, so click on that. And now we are in Realtek website, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will find a bunch of version over here, but we will going for the 64 bits Vista or this option over here. This is executable file. You just need to be sure if your Windows is 32-bit, then you just need to go for 32-bit. But my Windows is 64-bit, that's why I'm selecting this 64-bit. So after clicking on that, there will be agree the terms in the download. So I accept it and then download this file. After that, here we just need to send the captcha, and then click submit. And here you can see the download option is came on. It's 253 MB, so I'll going to click on download. So here you can see that the download is completed. And now if you minimize it and then you go for your this PC and go the download section where you downloaded it. And after that, here is a 64-bit Windows 7, Windows 8. Basically, it's your audio driver, so click on that 2 times. Click yes for the permission, and you can see it's reading the content of package. And now you can see it's installing driver. You can see that install shift wizard is installing, and now there will be an option after completing the install. Yes, I want to restart my computer now. And now I will restart my computer later. So now I'm selecting now I will restart my computer later, and then click finish. After that you can install it over here, go over here and then click on restart. So this is how you can download and install Realtek audio driver for your Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.